What's going on today, fellas? Today is not a great day. As much as I've been wanting to get these Seadoos up and going and get them out for a rip, I did the same storage thing that I do every winter. This is definitely not my first year having these machines. Old red fired up A1. This new one, not so much. So when I originally went to start it with the new battery into it, all it wanted to do was click, but I knew the battery was good. So when I took the battery out, this machine's got 99 hours. It did not make it to 100 hours yet. We are sitting right at 99, and after the third attempt of trying to start it the other day, it finally decided to kick and go and take off. And when it did, it made a whole bunch of crazy nasty noises. So the very first thing was, when it started up and made the noises, a piece of steel come right out through the boost pipe, right off of the supercharger. And I got a whole bunch of shit to say in this video, but first things first, we got the charger off without too much hassle. So it's you don't have to pull the motor to get it out, so I guess that's one good thing. I'm really baffled for words here on this one, because I don't understand how all this silt and stuff and crap, like, look, now that it's drying up, it's this white powdery residue, and you know, this is the air filter that goes on it right there. The air filter's in great shape, but yeah, there's definitely some crud in here, and this definitely could have been prevented. So anyway, all the pipes are full of this residue, except for this one, which this is the charge pipe off of the intercooler going to the intake of the motor, to the throttle body. So luckily the intercooler caught all the pieces when the